advice na ano
Hindi siya base. Okay, yung tanong niya is how did I plan the archetype? So kung mapansin nyo, they have 6 colors. It's based on the 6 thinking hats of Edward de Bono. So supposedly, if you need to find a solution to something, you use the 6 thinking hats. Use the green hat, use the red hat, the white hat, the blue hat, the yellow hat, and the black hat. So they are representing each kind of thinking. So kunyari, the black hat is more of the authority. No, if the green hat is more of the how can we creatively think of a different way. Kaya siya nagtatanong na, okay lang matitikita ng yun na parang hindi na natin kasama sa discussion. So red hat is more of the ingenuity or parang the freshness. No? Care is the white hat. Mga ganito. So dun siya nanggaling yung archetypes na yun. And then we try to represent as much as possible the society as it would be. So there will be people who will be against the government, and there will be people who will be from the government. Kung nakikita niyo, pinakikita ko ba kayo? Sarili niyo sa akin.